I have allergies. I have allergies. I have asthma. I have asthma. She has diabetes. She has diabetes. He suffers from depression. He suffers from depression. Mia has a heart attack. Mia has a heart attack. My grandpa has high blood pressure. My grandpa has high blood pressure. I have a cold. I have a cold. She has an allergy to peanuts. She has an allergy to peanuts. He's got a headache. He's got a headache. Anna is coughing terribly. Anna is coughing terribly. Anna experiences back pain. Anna experiences back pain. Clara feels nauseous. Clara feels nauseous. Tom has a fever. Tom has a fever. Anna has a sore throat. Anna has a sore throat. I suffer from insomnia. I suffer from insomnia. He experiences joint pain. He experiences joint pain. She has a toothache. She has a toothache. Mia deals with dry skin. Mia deals with dry skin. She suffers from a heat stroke. She suffers from a heat stroke. She suffers from a sunburn. She suffers from a sunburn. Anna deals with migraines. Anna deals with migraines. Henry has heartburn. Henry has heartburn. Anna has a skin rash. Anna has a skin rash. Henry has a fracture. Henry has a fracture. Mia has an eye infection. Mia has an eye infection. She has a knee injury. She has a knee injury. Anna has a nosebleed. Anna has a nosebleed. I have a stomachache. I have a stomachache. She has a chipped tooth. She has a chipped tooth. I have a neck pain. I have a neck pain. Anna suffers from a peptic ulcer. Anna suffers from a peptic ulcer. Mia has a case of appendicitis. Mia has a case of appendicitis. Henry suffers from jet lag. Henry suffers from jet lag. I have a case of varicose veins. I have a case of varicose veins. Tom has a black eye. Tom has a black eye. I have a broken arm and need to wear a cast. I have a broken arm and need to wear a cast. Jane has olivey skin. Jane has olivey skin. My grandma suffers from osteoporosis. My grandma suffers from osteoporosis. Clara has belly fat. Clara has belly fat. My brother has diarrhea. My brother has diarrhea. I have sagging skin. I have sagging skin. She suffers from painful periods. She suffers from painful periods. Mie has gray hair. Mie has gray hair. Anna has pimples. Anna has pimples. Mary has split ends in her hair. Mary has split ends in her hair. Jane suffers from forehead wrinkles. Jane suffers from forehead wrinkles. She has an itchy scalp. She has an itchy scalp. Josh has dandruff. Josh has dandruff. Paul suffers from alopecia. Paul suffers from alopecia. I have a mouth ulcer. I have a mouth ulcer. He is experiencing vomiting. He is experiencing vomiting. I have frostbite fingers from the cold weather. I have frostbite fingers from the cold weather. He suffers from frequent muscle cramps. He suffers from frequent muscle cramps. She has a backache after long hours at the desk. She has a backache after long hours at the desk. Mia is dealing with hair loss recently. Mia is dealing with hair loss recently. Oliver has large pores. Oliver has large pores. Jane has been electrocuted by a faulty appliance. Jane has been electrocuted by a faulty appliance. Tom suffers from seizures. Tom suffers from seizures. He has sweaty armpits during the summer. He has sweaty armpits during the summer. Mary has gray hair at an early age. Mary has gray hair at an early age. I have dark circles under my eyes from lack of sleep. I have dark circles under my eyes from lack of sleep. Jane suffers from acne issues. Jane suffers from acne issues. Mary has a torn leg muscle from playing sports. Mary has a torn leg muscle from playing sports. She battles with obesity. She battles with obesity. Max suffers from episodes of unconsciousness. Max suffers from episodes of unconsciousness. Jane has an incorrect standing posture. Jane has an incorrect standing posture. Hoa has a wrinkled neck. Hoa has a wrinkled neck. Mom feels tired after work. Mom feels tired after work. She suffers from stress and overwork. She suffers from stress and overwork. She has lost her appetite. She has lost her appetite. He has an earache. He has an earache. I am staggering after an intense workout session. I am staggering after an intense workout session. Mary has sprained her ankle. Mary has sprained her ankle. I have a splinter in my finger. I have a splinter in my finger. She suffers from chest pain. She suffers from chest pain. Henry has a wart on his hand. Henry has a wart on his hand. He gets dehydrated when he exercises. He gets dehydrated when he exercises. Jane is going through menopause. Jane is going through menopause. He has the flu. He has the flu. He has nail fungus because his feet are often damp. He has nail fungus because his feet are often damp. My grandfather had a stroke. My grandfather had a stroke. Kaylee has malaria after her trip to the tropics. Kaylee has malaria after her trip to the tropics. He sneezes frequently due to allergies. He sneezes frequently due to allergies. He feels very hot. He feels very hot. She freezes because it's cold outside. She freezes because it's cold outside. I am pregnant. I am pregnant. He suffers from heat exhaustion. He suffers from heat exhaustion. Mia has a bruise. Mia has a bruise. I suffer from anxiety. I suffer from anxiety. She feels bloated. She feels bloated. He has blurred vision. He has blurred vision. Mary got injured while exercising. Mary got injured while exercising. John has food poisoning. John has food poisoning.